This is my love song to you. Let every woman know I'm yours, so you can fall asleep each night, babe, and know I'm dreaming of you more. You're always hoping that we make it. You always wanna keep my gaze, but you're the only one I see, love. And that's
Masaya
the
ako
one
today
thing that won't change.
dahil ito na yung hinihintay nating araw, Rom. Alam ko matagal na natin itong pinagpaplanuhan at nag-alat na tayo ng time talaga na para sa ating dalawa, na tayong dalawa lang muna.
Masaya, although hindi ko din naman in-expect na dadating yung day na to. But yeah, masaya. And finally, magiging blessed na yung pagsasama natin.
I will never get used to you. And with this love song to you, it's not a momentary phase. You are my life, I don't deserve you.
Congrats, Mommy and Daddy.
Just the same, and as the mirror says we're older, I wanna look the other way. You are my life, my love, my only, and that's the one thing that won't change. I will never stop trying, I will never stop watching as you leave. I will never stop losing my breath every time I see you looking back at me. And I will never stop holding your hand, I will never stop opening your door. I will never stop choosing you, babe. I will never get used to you. Still get my heart racing, you still get my heart racing. For you still get my heart racing, you still get my heart racing. For you.
Congrats!
Congratulations,
Rom and Ronald.
Congratulations, Tito Ronald and Tita Rom. We love you. Congrats, Tito and Tita. 6-7!
Ate Rom and Kuya Ron, congratulations on your wedding and best wishes.
Rom, habang buhay kitang mamahalin. Aalagaan kita magpakailanman.
Ang pag-ibig ni Ronaldo at ni Romely ay katulad ng init ng hapong ito. Palakpakan po natin silang dalawa.
Naghintay, nandito ka na, aking habang buhay. Singlinaw ng langit na bughaw, hanggang sa dulo ako at ikaw ikinuhit na ng tadhana na tayo.
So I'm so happy for the both of you. So eto na nga, and best wishes for both of you.
I'm so happy for you guys.
Ikaw ang una't huling mamahalin ko ng ganito. Nais kong malaman.
Pangako ko sa iyo, Rom, ikaw lang sa habang buhay. Itataguyod ko ang ating pamilya. I love you, Rom.
Singlinaw ng langit na bughaw, hanggang sa dulo.
Ronaldo, Romely, tatlong bagay. Ang Diyos laging nasa sentro ng pag-ibig at pagmamahalan. Hangarin ang pagkakaisa. Married life is not a competition. It's always striving for communion. And thirdly, take care of one another. Be faithful.
And I promise to be by your side through ups and downs until the rest of our lives, especially together with our kids. So thank you for being there for us. I love you.
Singlit na unang langit na bugha hanggang sa dulo ako at ikaw iginuhin na ng tadhana.
Congratulations, pare and Tita Rom. Happy na si Papa ngayon, kung nasan man siya ngayon. Congratulations.
Isa